Hi, I'm Crystal Cave, and I am the founder of the Change Collective. You'll see that I am currently a solopreneur, but my co-founder, Corinne Brothers, will be joining us in the next month as our Chief Development Officer to really help oversee the educational aspect and development aspect of our end-to-end production company for the future of apparel manufacturing. After working with Corinne on my own clothing line, Poppy Row, I truly realized how broken the entire manufacturing system is. It's super disjointed. It's still unethical even when you're looking for ethical production. There's really no social good aspect in it that's scalable. There's no way that I can create like on-demand products unless I create my own in-home sewing studio, and you wouldn't want to buy anything that I sew. And there's so many brands out there that suit so many different consumers that need a place that they can go that is doing what we've created and are going to create in the Change Collective. So we really hope we can work together with you to be the change in the world and hope to see you next month. Bye.